Hello gardeners. In this video, I will share with you my grandmother's recipe for feeding petunia seedlings with pills, namely vitamins. After applying them, your seedlings will grow very quickly. I will immediately demonstrate to you at the beginning of the video the result of this feeding. I fed this petunia several times with these vitamins for all the time, and here is the same petunia that was planted on the same day. See how far she lags behind without top dressing. She really lacks vitamins. But if you give them in the quantity and dosage that I will tell you now, then your seedlings from this one will begin to grow rapidly within a few days. Well, actually, let's prepare top dressing from ordinary pharmaceutical tablets. For cooking, we need a jar of 1 pint. We fill it with water. And the main ingredient is nicotinic acid. In order for the solution not to harm the plants, we need only half of such a tablet. In 1 tablet 50 milligrams of nicotinic acid. This is a vitamin of group B3. Nicotinic acid is a very important vitamin, not only for humans, but also for plants. It is the only vitamin that is involved in hormonal metabolism. And on seedlings of flowers and vegetable crops, the use of nicotinic acid provokes the emergence of new shoots. And if you use it for indoor flowers, then indoor flowers quickly enter the flowering phase, and do it for a long time. Wait until the tablet is completely dissolved. And this jar of nicotinic acid should be diluted with 1 quart of water. I will now do top dressing on flowers that are stunted. This is how clear water with small particles turns out. I draw up a syringe with a volume of 20 milliliters and pour it under 1 flower. If you have not watered the flowers before, your soil is very dry, then water the soil lightly first so that the effect comes much faster. And you will see how your seedlings will be transformed from slow growing. Will be here as such a lush and sprawling. And one more thing regarding the dosage, such feeding of petunia should be done no more than once every 10 days, otherwise you can harm your seedlings. Therefore, while your petunia is in seedlings, you can make 1 or 2 top dressings, no more is needed. But if friends, the information from this video was useful for you, please like it. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. And also subscribe to my channel so as not to miss the release of new videos. I wish you a good day. See you in new videos.